Hello everyone, Gary here, and welcome back to Frugal Watch Box. Some watches announce themselves the moment they arrive. They sparkle under the lights, boast impressive specifications, and demand your attention. Others simply wait, quietly, patiently, almost as if they know their story cannot be told in a photograph or a specification sheet. The Casio W-738H-3AVDF is one of those watches. It isn't loud, it isn't fashionable, in the way trends come and go. Yet from the moment I saw this olive green version, I couldn't stop thinking about it. Perhaps it wasn't the color, perhaps it wasn't the features, perhaps it was the feeling. Some watches are bought with the eyes, others are chosen by the heart. Every story has an opening chapter. Mine began with a parcel that made me nervous before I had even opened it. The seller had wrapped only the Casio watch box in a thin layer of bubble wrap. There was no sturdy cardboard box, nothing to shield it from the rough hands and long journey of shipping. When I finally peeled away the bubble wrap, I saw dents on the watch box. The corners had taken a beating. Even the warranty card inside had been creased, as though it too had traveled a difficult road. For a few quiet seconds, I simply stared at the battered box. I wondered if the watch had survived the journey. Slowly, I opened the box. There it was, resting quietly inside, untouched, not a scratch, not a mark. After everything it had been through, it looked as though nothing had happened at all. Sometimes the strongest things don't arrive in perfect packaging. Sometimes they simply arrive ready for the next journey. The olive green case looked back at me as if nothing had happened. Not a scratch, not a mark. Sometimes the strongest things don't look strong at all. Sometimes they simply endure.
A color that speaks softly.
There is something calming about this shade of green, not the bright green of fresh leaves after rain, not the dark green of military equipment. This is the color of old forests, mountain trails, canvas backpacks that have traveled 1,000 miles. The color of mornings before the world wakes up. It doesn't shout across the room, it whispers, and perhaps that is why I find it so beautiful. In a world filled with glossy black watches, this one chooses to be different without asking anyone's permission.
The forgotten joy of simplicity.
The first time I wore it, I expected to notice its size. Instead, I noticed how quickly I forgot it was there. 43 grams, light enough to disappear, comfortable enough to become part of your day instead of interrupting it. It sat naturally on my wrist, neither too large nor too small, like an old friend who never tries too hard. And isn't that what an everyday watch should be? Not something you constantly admire, but something you instinctively reach for every morning.
The beauty of being useful.
There is an old saying, a good tool doesn't ask to be admired, it asks to be used. The W-738H understands that better than most watches. A battery that promises 10 years of faithful service, 100 meters of water resistance, a bright display that can be read with a quick glance, dual time for distant places, a timer for life's little deadlines, a stopwatch for moments worth measuring, and then the gentle vibration alarm. No loud beeping, no unnecessary attention. Just a quiet reminder against your wrist, like a friend tapping your shoulder. It is such a small feature, yet once you have lived with it, you begin to wonder why every everyday watch doesn't have one.
A watch meant to live.
Not every watch belongs in a display cabinet. Some belong beneath a jacket sleeve, on a hiking trail, beside a fishing rod, while watering the garden before sunrise, on long drives, on ordinary Tuesdays. This feels like one of those watches. Yes, the resin crystal will collect scratches one day, and perhaps that's exactly as it should be, because a flawless watch tells you very little. A scratch watch tells you where it has been.
More than its price.
Today, we often mistake value for cost, but the two are rarely the same. For around 37 USD, the W-738H offers something that cannot be measured on a receipt. Peace of mind, a watch that simply works morning after morning, year after year, without demanding updates, without asking to be charged, without trying to become something it was never meant to be. There is something wonderfully honest about that.
Who will understand this watch?
This isn't a watch for someone chasing luxury. It isn't a watch for someone who needs attention. It is for the teacher who values punctuality, the traveler who appreciates reliability, the camper who enjoys silence, the student counting down the minutes before an examination, the father, the grandfather, the quiet collector who smiles whenever a Casio arrives in the post. Perhaps it is for everyone who believes that the best things in life are often the simplest.
Closing thoughts.
As I look at this little olive green Casio resting on my desk, I realized something. Long after the excitement of buying it had faded, long after the novelty has disappeared, I have a feeling this will still be here. Still keeping time, still asking for almost nothing, still quietly doing the one job it was made to do. Some watches become valuable because they are rare. Some become valuable because they are expensive. And every once in a while, a watch becomes valuable because it quietly earns a place in your everyday life. Perhaps that is the greatest compliment I can give the Casio W-738H-3AVDF. Not that it impressed me, but that it made me smile. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please leave a like, subscribe to Frugal Watchbox if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below. Would you choose the olive green version or would you still go with the classic black? Until next time, take care and never underestimate the quiet things. They often stay with us the longest.